In today's press conference, speaking to news reporter, the Congress party are confident and hope that the border issue between Meghalaya and Assam will be resolved soon.
Of Assam have both proceeded to finalize phase 1 of the boundary dispute dialogue. Two of our MLAs are members of 2 regional committees, and in their briefing to us, the party, we are hopeful of a very positive response. In the first phase of the boundary dialogue and the submissions to be made in the state to the government of India, it would have been ideal if public representatives, members of the district council and their respective heads would have been given an opportunity to review what is to be submitted to the government of India. It is a very tense moment for all of us because we have sat with our members who are members of these committee, and we have been given the assurance that the correct picture has been portrayed in their respective reports. We know that in West Khasi Hills and Ribhoi district, in the first phase, there is a strong probability that 9 out of 10 will be given to the state of Meghalaya, as per the reports prepared by the committee. Unfortunately, we are not permitted to divulge any of this information, but as a party, because our members are members of the regional committee, we thought it fit to tell you today that we are confident that 9 out of 10 we will retain all of these villages in the state of Meghalaya. Because
I am very confident that the 2 chief ministers, sitting along with the home minister, will discuss the Para 20, the Northeast Resolution 1971, and come into a conclusion that the boundary between Assam and Meghalaya should be the boundary of the Khasi state. That is very, very clear stand. I don't think the government will take any aggressive decision on come to a conclusion against the boundary of the Khasi state.